Ito man ganun. Bleh. Okay naman. Me too. Yeah, sure. Bulate. Bulate. Ang arte ng pangalan nila. Bulate. Yay! Me cute Ava po. Yes, super cute Ava. It's gummy. Medicina! Irishaimasu! Konbanwa. Genki shitemasu ka? Are you a model or a celebrity there? No, I'm not a model. But I wish I am. Frustrated model lang. I'm just a frustrated model but us. Sidulate. Yo, that Trace. Oh, really? Actually, it's my dream to be a model or an actress. But it's not for me. You'll be someday. Oh, is it not too late? I'm old. Hello, PAMJ. How are you? Ooh. Just pursue your dream. Yeah, sure. Badass. You know, I still marami ka na pala admin. Pang ano ka, pang tatlo ka Joker. Yung admins ko is yung mga nagpasok sa akin dito sa group. Is it too late for me because I am a wormy? Wormy? What do you mean by wormy? It's my first time to hear that word. You're a wormy. Hi, mate. Wormy just like my name. So you're ano, you're soft and smooth and slimy. Boss! Shall we, boss? I'm back. And sober po. I really. Ayaw nga, no, yung iba sober. Sarap nun, gabi. Paborito ng mga bata yung ganyan. Hello, Mar. Pero ako never ko na, ano, yung na-addict. Tikim-tikim lang ako. But I'm a kind wormy. Oh. Really? We can be friends if you're a kind wormy. Wait lang. Ay, wala na. Aalis si Joker. Tatanggalin na yun sa admin. Hindi naman. Sige na, Gorachi. Well, I just treat humans the same way they treat me too. Oh, really? Me too. Same bulate. You know, I just give the energy what they are giving me. Ako mamaya aalis. Oo, Ernst. Sige, thank you for coming, Ernst. Work well, Ernst. Ingat ka. Kung matanggal mo ako, ibalik mo lang. Oo. Pag natanggal kita, ano, mga 1 week na dapat consistent, andun ka sa live ko nang walang alisan, tsaka kita ibabalik. Ah, hell yeah, that is what we call self-respect. Yes, of course. Let's don't force ourselves to the people who don't like us. Chocolate too, hello. I will make sure that she will not gonna remove you as her admin. Oh. Oh, may kakampi ah. You found an ally ha, Joker ah. Sige, ikaw bahala. Oo, because it's his dream to be an admin daw. So I granted his wish. Okay. Let me make you my admin. Daddy, hello. First, oh, yun yung hirap na hirap akong ano. Rodrigo, shall we good evening? Versus Torshars. That's why, President Toroy, you know Rodrigo Bulate? Alam ko naman naniniwala ka na sa akin. O yung Toroy naman ni Joker. O naman, syempre naman. Fate's brand. Rodrigo Duterte. Expert. So, true Duterte. Sino mga pro Duterte dito? At mga anti-BBM. So, yun yung itapik natin. Char. Moyeng, sobrang magpapatugtog ako. Ba't hindi ako nagpatugtog? Ang hirap kasi yumuko dito, kaya lumingon ka lang saglit, ang dami na kagad comment eh. Hindi naman comment yung mga pumapasok is sunod-sunod kasi. Pero masasanay din naman siguro ako niyan. Uncle, hello. Yan. Sorry sa mga hindi na natin na-shawi dyan. Hindi yung mga gusto magpa-follow back dyan. Sabihin niyo lang, guys, ha?